All right, we've got a little bit of a pullback in natural gas today, Friday. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by Exodus, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. So you can see as I zoom in here, we had a high today of 3.435. Yesterday's high was 3.434. So maybe a high, maybe not. It's hard to say if that's going to be legitimate or not. Nevertheless, today's low dropped below yesterday's low, which is a relatively narrow range, but it was a high for this developing ABCD pattern. So that doesn't mean much. Really, what we're concerned with at this point is the high, today's high of 3.435, and this higher swing low here, C, at 316, because that is part of the integrity of the rising developing pattern. So as long as that support holds, the potential for higher prices remains. The first level, again, is this 50 moving average at 352, followed by the ABCD pattern initial target at 358, and then the purple 20 moving average at 365. And you can see how the purple has come down through this previously identified support zone and is now on track to maybe drop below that support zone, creating a lower potential resistance level for this rally that is in process right now. And you can see how once the purple 20 turned down, it continues to have a pretty clear declining trend there. So we'll be watching that carefully if natural gas can get above this potentially significant 50 moving average, because if we go back, you can see that the 50 really they both got reclaimed back here in late October, and then support was seen here, support was seen here, rough support on the 20 here, but you can see that the 50 has not been approached until the breakdown day on January 28th. So that means it could be significant resistance on the way up. And it's significant if there is a breakout above that level because of the potential for resistance at that level. And even if there is resistance, natural gas can hit it, pull back, and then make a breakthrough above it. We'll have to wait and see. All right, that is it for natural gas traders. Have a great weekend.